Hey everyone, it's me again, Daniel. Don't forget to subscribe, today I'll be reviewing the Layerzero coin, an airdrop as much as $500. As we can see, most of the coin have already been distributed, so it's worth hurry up. Here is detailed information about the project. They announced a $500 airdrop. There is a referral system to receive. You need to connect the MetaMask. As you can see, I don't have a coins on my balance. Now we'll receive them. We strictly follow the conditions so that in which case we don't lose coins. First we connect the wallet, then we wait for some time. Each waiting time can be different, but I like to think positively, and I think that everything will be quickly. Great, so we connect our wallets. Now let's go to the wallet section. The coins have been credited, which means they received the long-awaited $500 airdrop. Now we need to swap the coin into USDT for convenience. There are many services, but I use the original swap from MetaMask for this. I press the button, then select the coin that I change into USDT, then select the desired amounts. We can also change other parameters if you need this. After that we will receive confirmation so that the exchange is successful. After that we will wait a little, usually a couple of seconds. Now we check the balance, we see that the coin have swapped and the money was successfully credited. Thanks for watching guys and good luck!